Okay, Cap. You are the master of routes. You can help supervise this pour. Just push the lever. Ready. The concrete is perfect. Just give the signal, Cap.
Oh, it's wobbling. I did it wrong.
I can't. It's gonna wobble. It's gonna fall. Cap? Why aren't we pouring? The concrete is getting heavy. No pouring! It's too dangerous! I'm not moving! Hey! What's the holdup? I have mail to deliver!
Oh dear. The children will be late for school. We aren't moving at all. Better than sorry. Safe is better than sorry. I'm staying right here.
We have a massive traffic jam caused by a construction halt. School B is trapped.
Roger! We need to clear the traffic and find out why the bridge isn't finished. Rescue team, let's roll!
Let's go!
Wow! It looks like a parking lot down there. Nothing is moving.
Polly, if I move, they pour. If they pour, the bridge might fall. It's the Wobbly Bridge all over again.
We have a problem. If Mickey doesn't pour this concrete soon, it will harden inside his drum. We can't wait.
Oh my! It's very narrow here.
Look at the data. The plans are perfect. The foundation is solid rock. It is mathematically impossible for this bridge to wobble. Wrong. My feelings aren't wrong. I feel the wobble. I won't do it. Come on, Cap. Just move a little so Mickey can work. I'm gonna be late. I'll just squeeze past the construction zone here.
That ground isn't stable. It's too soft near the pit.
The ground! It's moving! Help! Help! I'm slipping! Help!
Far. Roy is too big. Only a small, agile car can navigate that narrow ledge to hook the truck.
Cap, the scanner readings just came through. It looks like the beacon is located near the old bridge. We should head there right away.
You are the only one small enough to reach the truck. You have to pull him back.
I can't. I'll mess it up. I'll make it wobble.
This isn't about the bridge right now. It's about saving a friend. You are the master of tight corners. You can do this.
Grab on! I've got you! Heavy! But I won't let go! Low gear! Cap! Steady torque! Pull! Grip! Pulling! N-O-W!
Safe! Oh, thank you!
You did it, Cap! That was amazing driving! You saved him, Cap! You didn't freeze! You acted! I did. I didn't think about the wobble. I just thought about helping. Okay, let's build a bridge. A solid one. Here comes the mix! Gentle. Not too fast.
Open. Traffic is clearing. Cap, it's a smooth ride. Yay!
I did it! I really did it!
Taught you what NOT to do. Today, you use that lesson to build something perfect. That's called a growth mindset.
So, well, no. Does anyone need a skyscraper built? Just kidding. Cap! Lesson. If you see a road blocked by construction, never take a shortcut through the work zone. Follow the detour signs.
Everyone gets scared sometimes. Being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared. It means you keep going, even when you are.
I'm hungry! Who wants energy packs? Have a safe evening, citizens!
Oops. Safety first, even for me. Zones are busy places. Always slow down when you see orange cones. Never touch wet concrete. It can hurt your skin or tires. Panic, stop what you are doing. Take a deep breath. Ask for help. That is the safe way.
Bye! See you next time!